Now I'm going to start. Keep going with me.
Hi everyone, my goal in this project to make level this room in the basement with concrete slab with hallway. I just finished leveling process and now I wanna show you step by step how to do it.
First of all, I want to show you how to find the high spot. Very easy. We have laser level. Just put any places. So it should be bottom laser transmitter should be on. Other transmitter you see off. So this transmitter exactly 6 millimeters from the ground floor, and now we have a line. You see this line? And there is line that showed us high spot. And also we have here is line on the wall. It shows there is very low, and so there is very high. And we start moving laser up and up. So now
When I move in laser, my goal is find exactly level with hallway. So you see, when I'm moving, line going up and up, now exactly it's level with hallway.
this high spot, you see, green line, and here is also high spot, this entrance. I'm not doing anything here. There is a carpet. So here is a should be quarter-inch, and then we see line around us. So from this high spot we see all the way around, and you see right here line. This is a high spot. We don't need to level here too much, just skim coat, but this all sides down, 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 down. I have to fill up. Before start leveling, I have to remove all paint from this floor. You see the gray color, it's all painted. So it takes time. I'm using grinder, I'm using cyclone, and also this vacuum. So let's go.
This grinding process is very important because if you keep all dust and some paint on the floor, primer not very good penetrating to the existing subfloor, and when you put self-leveling compound, it can be unstick.
Just install foam, put on the bottom caulk to protect any leaks. Fill up all cracks with caulk.
Foam needed also for keep expansion gap around the wall.
Next step, primer. So this is for Mapei L primer. I mix it 50-50, 50% primer, 50% water for better absorption. Let's go. So I finish primer application, but now I have to wait when it's getting dry, so I have time to fill up the buckets with water and also to set up tripods. After grinding, we have some little changes. You see, here is a spot, high spot here, and there is now nice visible line around. And here we come in to this crack because you see it's green high spot here. So I would start tripods installation. So first tripod we can install right here on this corner. So we have laser, we have tripod. So how to install tripod? Very easy. Put tripod, and we have to see on this edge green line. Put down. That's it. You see? Now it's set up. And we can take another tripod. Come right here. So approximately 4 feet from each one. From this tripod, approximately 4 feet. And you see, it's almost set up. Just up, that's it. See? It's green. And so now we can set up as much as we can. So here is already all tripods set up. And if you have a look close, you see some is too deep. See? It's over 1.25 inches here. Here's 7/8. There is very little. You see, and also I put tripod to the highest spot. You know why I do this? Because I have to see where I just have to smooth it out. If I can't see it, it's hard to do it. So you see, here is less than 1/4. There is approximately 3/4. There is 1/2 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. Here is 18 and 23 tripods here. So if you have 24 tripods, you can set up on this area like I'm doing now. Here is 270 square feet. So let's go to fill up with self-flooring compound. Here is what we have to get when the concrete self-flooring compound attached to the bottom plate. You see? This is ideal. When you fill up all this section, take tripod off and just roll it out. And that's it. So, just finished. You see? Really nice. Level.
I hope this video was helpful. Very easy work if you have professional tools, and you can make a nice level for your future floor installation. You see, this is level with hallway.